If the idea was that you wanted this heavy contrast, because you do have some whites, right? There are some whites, barely visible, by the way, in the histogram, which is interesting. If we crop on just this, you'll see where it is, right? It's still not actually white. So if you actually raise that, you move that up, okay, just a touch. So now, technically speaking, that's technically a bit better, right? Not to say that that looks better. I'm just saying technically. But what I was saying before, that if you wanted to dial into this shape, I would have opted for black and white. Once you opt for black and white, I feel like the darks could be dark. The whites could be white, right? It's a black and white. That's what you want to see. I feel like there is some license, extra license. I would even go a step further and crop something like this. I mean, that bird is so cool. You want to really lean into that story. But all of that not happening, I would say if you hit auto, you'll see what it does. It just needs to be brighter, right? So maybe you don't want this much, maybe somewhere in the middle, but in general, as is, the story is a little bit too dark. Rob, similar. Can I ask you something? You like photos? Do you like bearded guys talking about photos? Well, maybe you'd be interested in our weekly Patron Plus Screencast critique. It's a 40-minute video delivered to your inbox where I cover around 15 photos from people in that tier. Or maybe you just like to become a regular patron. The regular patron tier costs just $2.50 a week, and you get access to all kinds of things. You get to see the album after deadline, you can tweak your profile photos, you get advanced filter functionalities, and you get access to my entire Shooting 101 course. Want to know more about the course? Listen to this guy. Shooting 101, Photography Fundamentals. What are you getting in this course? Well, what are you not getting in this course would be a better question. I divided up this course into 3 modules: lighting fundamentals, the fundamentals of composition, and an introduction to manual settings and the exposure triangle. In lighting fundamentals, we do a deep dive into directional light, studio lighting, and lighting patterns, and then we try and find these patterns in real life. We talk about the best places for natural light and how to best use natural light in your photographs. In the composition module, I break down all the main composition fundamentals, including horizon lines, rule of thirds, looking into the frame, walking into the frame, headspace, cropping, leading lines, minding your background, minding your foreground, when to break the rules, rule of odds, balance versus symmetry, the Fibonacci sequence, and the importance of triangles in your shots. We round out this course with camera fundamentals, an introduction to shooting in manual and understanding the exposure triangle. We go into aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, when, why, and how to use all these settings to take full control of your camera. Check out some sample videos below for the actual course content, to see my conversational style of teaching, and of course my sometimes bizarre sense of humor. If you're looking to launch your photography education, look no further. This course is where you should start. Happy shooting.